Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Ariba Drawing Tutorials. Today we are drawing a circle scenery. Hope you like my drawings and thanks for commenting and liking my videos. First of all, draw a circle. I'm using a cut black marker. Now take a scale and draw a straight line as diameter of the circle. Draw a diagonal line just in between that line and also another diagonal line. Now draw a straight line on the tip of both and draw a circle like the nib. Now join the dots to the other end of the diagonal line and draw in between more small lines. This scenery is going to be very beautiful if you focus on what I say and what I direct you while using the marker or the pencil you use. You can also use a pencil, that's not necessary. For beginners, pencil is the best option. Now we will be drawing the sun, and for that purpose I'll be using a small bottle opener or anything, can opener, anything you have in circle shape. Just draw that circle so it may be good looking and exactly in rounded shape. Now draw the mountains in triangle shape just as I am doing. All of the mountains, and draw a narrow line in between them, so that line must be a little bit curvy. Now try to shade the mountains. Shade only one half of the mountain so it looks like a shadow is upon the mountain. I hope you like my videos. Please comment on this video. How is this video? How is my drawing? What should I improve and what do you like, so that I will make for you. Now we will be shading the sun. Just shade it only on the half side and just smudge it with your finger, as always I say. Now the drawing is completed. Just follow all the shading. Thanks for watching.
Fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love.